My name is Clint Carter. I work for Murfreesboro Fire and Rescue Department in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, and I've been a firefighter for 4 years. So my experience coming down here to Georgia to the Makita Training Center, I didn't really know what to expect at first. I had never really been to anything like this before, but as soon as we got here, we were met with, everybody that was with Makita was super hospitable. It was a great experience from getting here. And then once we walked into the training center, saw all the tools, it was a little bit mind-blowing to see everything that Makita had available and to see everything that we were going to be working with. And I got to learn a lot about the technology behind some of the Makita tools, and also got to get my hands on some, got to try them out. See how they perform, see how they stack up against a lot of other tools. So it was a very good experience. I think my favorite demonstration that we did outside was with the rotary hammer. It was battery powered. It was pretty crazy to see the speed at which we were able to drill with, the efficiency that it had, very little vibration compared to some other things that I've used in the past. And so it was just a little bit crazy to see how well that tool actually performed. My department uses a mixture of battery operated and gas engine equipment. I was surprised at how easy the battery operated equipment, how quickly I was able to get it into service. There's very little troubleshooting. It's almost, you don't have to worry about as much with the battery operated equipment. To kind of play off the quickness, if I'm in a rescue scenario, I don't have to worry about that, that saw or that rotary hammer or drill or whatever tool it is that I need in that scenario. I don't have to worry about it starting as long as the batteries are charged. I put the batteries in, I turn it on, and it's ready to go. It's fascinating how little you have to worry about things that could go wrong. It's put the battery in, turn it on, and you're ready to go.
What?
Yes.
It's like, yes.